In this tutorial, I'll show you how to retopologize a high poly mesh and turn it into a low poly mesh. I already have a model prepared with over 111,000 polygons. Our goal is to reduce it down to around 2,000 polygons. It may not be exactly 2,000, it could end up closer to 3,000 depending on the adjustments, but that's still much lower compared to the original high poly mesh. To do this, simply click Remesh it and wait for the process to finish. Once it reaches 100%, we now have a successful low poly version of our mesh. Now let's create another example. This time, I'll add a new object, a UV sphere. I'll duplicate it so we have two spheres, then combine them by selecting both and pressing Ctrl+J. Next, switch over to Sculpt mode. Press R to activate the Remesh Resolution preview. You'll see a grid appear as you drag your mouse. Once you're satisfied with the grid density, press Ctrl+R to confirm. Then use Smooth to clean up the surface. Currently, the mesh has about 31,000 faces, but we'll reduce it to around 300 faces. Just click Remesh it, and that's it. We've successfully generated a clean, low-poly version of our sculpt. By the way, the plugin I'm using here is called Quad Remesher. It's available online, and you can easily search for it if you'd like to try it yourself. Thanks for watching.